RF Radio Network, where we connect people through the power of radio.
This is Joe Tech from RF Radio Network, where we're connecting people through the power of radio. And today we're going to be going over the keypad and what each key does from 1 through pound. I'm going to go into them in grave detail. So we're going to start with number 1. If you press and hold a long press number 1, this is what it does. It brings up the CTC receive and transmit. Then you hit the exit key to exit out of. Press and hold number 2, and then you get the power option in your radio. Hit exit to exit. Let's press 3. Narrow or wideband. Number 4 is scan. The frequencies that you have stored in your radio. If you press and hold number 4, you have the step options. You press number 5, press and hold. Timeout timer and always allow options. You have tone. This will transmit over frequency a tone. We don't want to do that. Press and hold 0. Brings up the squelch option. Press and hold number 7 is monitor. Press and hold number 8. Power save. Press and hold number 9. Turns on Vox. If you press and hold exit,
frequency mode,
you go into VFO mode. Press and hold it again.
Channel mode.
Brings you back out. Press and hold menu. Brings up weather. I'm in the basement. I'm not going to hear anything. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to do on this radio. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
RF Radio Network, where we connect people through the power of radio.